Hi, welcome to another logo drawing tutorial. Let me just show you one or two things that I've done so far. In this very tutorial, I've developed a system that will display a window, and you can always select anything that you would like the system to draw for you. And right here, I have incorporated my drawing of a building. And we can always clear that and draw a pattern. The pattern looks a bit dodgy because of the size of my pen, which I can always change. I'll change that when I'm showing you guys the codes. So let's see the compass. The compass was the main reason I changed the size of the pen, because it wasn't thick enough. So that's for the compass. Let's see that of the circle. Yeah, the circle isn't that bad. I'll change the color that I've been using. Yeah, that's black, which is much better now. Looks good. And then let's see the house again with the same color. One thing about the house is, if let's assume I draw a compass there now and I decide to draw the house again, you see it get rid of the compass, allows the system to clean the screen. So for now guys, let me just see what we've done so far. I'll take you to the codes and we take it from there. Okay, like I said earlier on, I'll show you guys the code, and here are my codes. This is my pen size, or that's my pen size, and that's why one of the drawing wasn't good enough, so I'm going to comment it out for now. Right there is the compass. Those are the codes for the compass, so you can always make use of that. And right below is the if statement that I use to get each of the commands working, and that's the if statement for the compass, the if statement for the circle, the if statement for the house, the set bit, index, eclipse, and patterns. They all are, and in there in the square bracket are the variables that are called. Like this very one for the circle, I actually wrote the logo codes right in there. Okay, let's move on. Right here, that is the variable for the window that you guys saw. That's the window right there. Those are the coordinates of the window. We have the width, the height of the window, which I can always change. Supposing, let me just go for 250 or maybe 200, 200 by 150. So I've actually commented that out. I'm using the one below, so I might as well just copy this. Let's copy that, and or whichever. So if you guys want, you can use any of them. So I'm gonna use the one up here. So it's the same. It's just another choice. So you can always choose between this or that. Okay, let me move down. Right here is the house. That's the code for the house. Okay, I actually call it Kim. Right, so that's the code for the house, because the house actually look like the home of Kim. Now, which you guys have already seen, I have it on YouTube, so you can always have a good look at it again. That's the code for the house. Now move down here, and right down here, this is the code that ends the program. Okay, that's it right there. You can see window delete. Right, then move down, and this is the code for one of my patterns, the one I call set bit index. Now the last and not the least, that is the list box that shows each item that you guys select, that you can select and click, and that's just the rest to it. So that's the end of the whole code. So I can always, let me take you guys back up so that you have a good look at it. That's it. Move it down, and one more time. and that's the code, guys. So I'm just gonna go to save and exit. So reset, execute, and that's all there is to it. So I'm going to change the color to maybe whatever. Now this circle gave me a problem, so let's draw. That's the circle right there. Clear it. So let me clear that. Draw the other one. Clear. Draw the compass. Change the color. Clear. Draw the eclipse. Guess you guys can see that. Clear. Clear. Draw the house. And draw the pattern. Okay, guys. And that's all there is to this very program. So I'm just gonna call it a day. Y'all have a nice one.